We believe that the best way to mediate global intractable conflicts is through the education of the next generation, and that the best way to reach the next generation is with an epic, animated, musical feature film. Hi, my name is Andy Hirsch. Welcome to Olive Branch Pictures, a hybrid for-profit social enterprise for conflict mediation, edutainment, and FILManthropy, using multi-narrative, commercially viable animated movies with a representational, ideologically balanced production team and advisory board. Our mission is to help mitigate the cycles of hatred, violence, xenophobia, and propaganda resulting from global intractable conflicts. Our first production addresses the Israeli-Palestinian conflict with the story Shira and Amal, about an Israeli girl and a Palestinian girl who use music to bring peace to Jerusalem and to themselves. We plan to publish Shira and Amal, the graphic novel, as our minimum viable product in approximately 16 months, followed by a grassroots reading campaign and the production of Shira and Amal, the stage musical, over the course of 18 months to develop social impact, our team, community, partnerships, contracts, and both fundraising and investment Series A. Finally, we plan to produce Shira and Amal, the epic animated musical feature film, in 3 years, followed by 12 months of theatrical, festival, grassroots, and streaming distribution. Our long-term goal is to expand as a sustainable animation studio, applying this methodology to address any large-scale intractable conflict, such as the India-Pakistan conflict, refugee crisis, and civil wars. I first imagined what would evolve into Shira and Amal and Olive Branch Pictures in July 2017, in culmination of my experiences in the Middle East, nostalgia for cartoons, my deep connection to Israel and ethical struggle with the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, the pursuit of truth, authenticity, and meaning, a visceral need to reclaim my creativity, the values of Judaism, Buddhism, humanism, Islam, and Taoism, and the passion born from my first love. Since incorporating in October 2019, I have recruited several interns and partners, as well as distinguished advisors, including former South African ambassador to the Palestinian Authority, Rafgan Ghat. We aspire to utilize the true value of diversity to produce representational and balanced narrative. We have won several startup competitions, including Brandeis University Spark Tank, the Drexel University C-Right Startup Competition, and the Entrepreneurs Organization Connecticut State Student Entrepreneurship Award. Some proofs of concept we've learned from include Art Spiegelman's Mouse, Marjane Satrapi's Persepolis, and Dr. Naif Al-Mutawa's The 99, as well as Disney's Frozen, DreamWorks' The Prince of Egypt, and Ari Folman's Waltz with Bashir. Our primary target social impact audience is Israeli and Palestinian youth, followed by Jewish and Palestinian diaspora youth, and then Arab and Middle Eastern youth. Our greatest challenge is to reach this social impact audience, specifically those more conservative and religious. Our solutions include 1. Free and subsidized distribution in target social impact dialects while generating profits from global language distribution such as English and Chinese. 2. Navigating the political controversies, culture, language, and religions without sacrificing entertainment value. 3. Cooperating with governmental and religious authorities, as well as democratizing production through crowdsourcing. 4. Building a coalition of major and grassroots publishing, production, and distribution companies, as well as NGOs, in order to reach mainstream and local audiences. Olive Branch Pictures fosters social impact by 1. Exposing the next generation to the humanity, culture, and perspective of the other. 2. Bringing together creative professionals, IGOs, NGOs, and companies across the ideological spectrum. 3. Multiplying and redistributing wealth to support credible partners facilitating regional peace. 4. Pursuing UN Sustainable Development Goals 16. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. 5. Gender equality. 4. Quality education. And 17. Partnerships for the goals. And finally, 5. Monitoring social impact using longitudinal focus group studies, surveys, public opinion, and critical reviews. Our impact metrics are certified by Good Company Ventures. Thank you very much for your support.